expected.
Sent away first time of asking. Shelly and Fraser Pryce gets a bullet start. Natasha Morrison is right there with her. Shelly and Fraser Pryce steps away. Look at the world champion step away. Shelly and Fraser Pryce comes across the line. 10.68 the flash time.
10.63, rounded down to 10.63. And only Flo Joe and Carmelita Jetta have gone faster on record.
Tell you what.
My, this is... Look, as we look back at the replay, we always expected her to get out to a quick start.
Yeah, but
she did that. But she kept going away and going away and going away. And you saw the speed in that. This is almost like watching a few years ago when Usain Bolt ran 9.7 for the first time at the National Stadium. This is 10.6. This is the fastest any woman has run on Jamaican soil. And of course, she's now the fastest Jamaican woman of all time. Previous personal best of 10.70, but 10.64. Wow.
Officially,
wow.
10.63.
10.63.
And at one point, I thought she would have slowed down. So she's in the lead now. Natasha Morrison trying to stay with her, and we're all lost for words because at this point, Shelly and Fraser Pryce fully focused, runs all, and here she kind of eases off the gas
as well.
10.63 seconds, the fastest a woman has run in recent times, Shelly and Fraser Pryce. Did you know you have this in you so early in the season?
Honestly, no. I wasn't coming out here. But first, I have to say thank God. Finish healthy, and it's about being patient and just enjoying the process. So about coming out here today, I never expected I would run 10.6, and I think it's a good thing because there was no pressure. I just wanted to get one run in before the national championship, and that's what really I was looking forward to. So for me, I just wanted to execute a good race, and I'm lost for words because 10.6 has been a dream, a goal. I've been working so hard, being so patient, and to see it finally unfold, I'm just ecstatic.
Congratulations, Shelly. You know, when you won at Doha, coming back from motherhood, persons thought that was your best. Do you think now that you can do more than the 10.63?
Well, if I'm able to run 10.6 now and the national championship is still some way, you know, honestly, I'm just looking forward to what the process will bring. I'm continuing the work because I did say that this year I wanted nothing more than to break the 10.7 barrier, and I did it, but you know, now the focus is on making the national team.